On this episode of Cooking with Kelly, we will not be using the microwave. We will be using the stove to make quail egg French toast. Oh boy, you don't even know. You're about to get so excited. You're going to want quail eggs. And I have them. So if you're local and you want to try them, quail egg French toast, I'm trying to tell you. First, you crack the quail eggs with the scissors and put them in this bowl. Then I added some unsweetened almond vanilla milk. Yum, yum, yum. But you can add any kind. I've even added heavy whipping cream, and it's freaking delicious. These are my two favorite things to add, plus a little bit of brown sugar. And if you're saying to yourself, now Kelly, how much do I add? This much. That's how much you add. Just kidding. Add as much as you freaking want. Just, smells good. That's nice. Add that. Add that much. I don't think you can go wrong. Seriously. That much. That's how much I add. About that much brown sugar. Now we mix it. Now, if you don't know how to make French toast, you literally just dip the bread in there. And then you put it on the pan and cook it on either side for as much as you want. Some people like it juicy in the middle. Some people don't. Just depends on how much you want to do. But that's basically it. It's super freaking easy. So easy Kelly can do it, which means it's really easy. If it smells like it's burning, it's probably done. Follow me for more recipes.